has stooped to a new level in the state of Maharashtra. Now, let's tell you, MNS activists are leading the charge after party chief Raj Thackeray issued a diktat saying that all bank transactions should happen in Marathi. Now, the MNS activists have gone to several establishments, including the Income Tax Office, the NKGSB Bank, Yes Bank, Axis Bank, the IDBI Bank, Bank of Vadodara, and a Vodafone outlet to demand the mandatory use of Marathi for communication. In fact, they've also demanded that bank documents, including checks, forms, notices, also should be in Marathi. Now, acting on MNS Chief Raj Thackeray's directive, the activists submitted letters to the branch managers and establishment heads in the Marathi-speaking strongholds of Lalbagh and Parel. Listen in.
मराठी माणसाला विळखा पडतोय. हा विळखा तुम्ही ओळखला पाहिजेत. मराठी भाषेला विळखा पडतोय. आमच्या महाराष्ट्रामध्ये मुंबईमध्ये आम्हाला सांगता इकडच्या आस्थापनांमध्ये आम्ही मराठी बोलना नहीं आता तो क्या हुआ. कानफट इथंच बसणार. फालतू देशबीज सांगायचं नाही आम्हाला. प्रत्येक राज्याची एक राजभाषा आहे. त्या राजभाषेचा सन्मान हा प्रत्येक राज्यामध्ये राखला गेला पाहिजे. महाराष्ट्रामध्ये मुंबईमध्ये मराठीचा मान हा राखला गेलाच पाहिजे प्रत्येक आस्थापनेत.
Along with the letter, they handed over a paper ball shaped like a stone as a symbolic warning. The activists cautioned that if Marathi is not adopted for communication, real stones, would be used in future protests. And in Pune's Lonavla, MNS workers were seen arguing with a bank manager. Look at the visuals playing out on your screens. With a bank manager and about using Marathi for official purposes. A staff member tried to intervene by saying that customers were facing difficulties due to the MNS workers. This employee was then slapped by members of the party. A similar argument broke out with a bank employee in Thane as well. It's important to note that all of this is happening despite Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis saying that no one should take the law into their own hands.
देखिए, ये बात मैं स्पष्ट रूप से कहता हूं, महाराष्ट्र में मराठी के लिए आग्रह करना कोई गलत बात नहीं है. सरकार का भी मानना है कि मराठी का उपयोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा होना चाहिए, किंतु अगर उसके लिए कोई कानून हाथ में लेता है तो कानून उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई करेगा.
In a big setback